If your parents or others hit you as a child to discipline you, you need to hear this empowerment. Remember, the description and first comment have links to upcoming workshops and courses. Confronting verbal and physical abuse. Deep scars on the soul. Childhood violence destroys self-confidence. It creates guilt, shame, and fear of triggering others' anger. The most limiting effect is programming a life where constant danger and threat are perceived, causing chronic stress and various illnesses stemming from this subconscious programming. Will strengthen your central nervous system, spine, sacrum, coccyx, and tail. Empower the triad, you, your mother, and your father. We strengthen each midline with yours, combining all at 100% potential, infinitely. We separate weaknesses, traumas, limitations, illnesses, fears, phobias, karmas, and curses from all three. We erase them individually and combine to negative infinity 100% of the time, forever. We separate your parents' energy from those who've harmed you. We erase weaknesses and memories of parents enabling or provoking harm, even if not directly. We erase feelings of betrayal, confusion, and sadness from this abandonment. Be strong to find strength in your painful memories. Be strong to release, erase, forgive, and forget the limiting narrative of those painful memories. Be strong to transform this narrative into one of empowering survival, a clear reason to be happy, thriving, and healthy as an adult. Be strong to turn pain into empathy. We eliminate the buildup of past mistreatment, manifesting as self-criticism and over-controlling others and situations. We shed the victim mentality and stop this drain on our physical, mental, and emotional energy, a self-inflicted echo of childhood punishments. Be strong to accept that past wounds don't define your worth, but can amplify your sense of inner greatness. Be strong in seeing yourself as resilient, brave, and powerful. Be strong to tackle each task and duty flawlessly, feeling more valuable and worthy each day. Be strong to accept that your parents did their best with what they knew and had. Be strong to let go of the idea of perfect, loving parents. We release the longing, melancholy, and resentment. Be strong to accept the parents you got or chose. Be strong to distance yourself if needed, with compassion for their unawareness. Be strong to release hurt feelings, complaints, and grievances. Be strong to view your childhood neutrally. We remove judgments that keep you stuck in various aspects of life. Be strong to look to the future with hope and dedication. Be strong to look at the past with acceptance. understanding, and healthy empathy for those who mistreated you. We'll remove the effects of violence that manifest as anxiety, panic, and post-traumatic stress disorders. We eliminate the abusive energy causing latent, present, and imminent adult depression. Transforming your negative self-image by removing self-criticism, judgment, and reproach. We eliminate emotions, sensations, and reactions of self-devaluation. We remove resistance to letting go of sadness, hopelessness, and melancholy. We eliminate trauma effects like nightmares, flashbacks, hypervigilance, and strong emotional reactions. We remove the programmed hypersensitivity, overreaction, and hypervigilance. We break the neural connections supporting this, reducing them to zero infinitely, 100% of the time. We eliminate the cumulative effect of received aggression, now manifesting as relationship instability, poor self-image, and disturbing emotions. We remove the accumulated impact of aggression manifesting as cardiovascular problems, chronic diseases like diabetes and irritable bowel syndrome, as well as autoimmune diseases in those who've experienced various forms of childhood abuse. We eliminate the lasting effects of violence, which cause difficulty forming healthy relationships, trust issues, and challenges in creating intimate, supportive bonds. We break the cycle of repeated abuse, ending the pattern of choosing abusive partners who perpetuate these experiences. We remove barriers to healthy emotional expression, reducing conflicts and misunderstandings in relationships. We address the impact of past violence, tackling self-destructive behaviors like substance abuse and eating disorders. We eliminate aggressive and risky behaviors stemming from childhood traumas. We boost self-esteem and self-concept, empowering you to face challenges and pursue your goals. Strength to commit to your education and personal empowerment. Power to transform experiences into new abilities, coping strategies, and resilience. Let's create a new narrative that empowers you and guides you towards achieving your goals, objectives, and personal fulfillment. We'll strengthen you to handle all aspects of your childhood, positive, negative, and everything in between. Empower yourself to feel equal, different, changed, or unchanged, to shift or maintain your perceptions. Let's boost your internal and external dynamics, boundaries, and all aspects to their full potential constantly and infinitely. We'll erase all weaknesses and obstacles, removing anything that limits or hinders you completely and indefinitely. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram, readjust, and rejuvenate your body, mind, and spirit. How do you feel now? The same or different?